Hi! In front of me is LG Q70, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here, so when I click, Auto Rotation is on. But you can always switch it off by clicking on the same, now white one. If you wish to, you can always go into Settings instead and click on Display section. In it, scroll down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!